Hey y'all, I'm editing right now, and I noticed I didn't do like one intro. Basically, this is like it's an apartment update because I've been decorating, and I've been here since like November. It's March, and I'm still not all the way done. But I just want to give y'all a little update. Look at that. What is that in my fucking hand? I'm at the hospital, but I'm doing some editing or whatever. So yeah. Just stay tuned and you're gonna see everything that be going on. Hey y'all, look a little busted. I'm into, where's my keys? I'm finna go get my packaging from my baby's car. I'm excited. I ordered stuff for the house. I know I'm trying to decorate the living room or whatever. Oh look at this. And then like, girl. So I ordered some stuff off Amazon to decorate the living room. I didn't ask my roommate anything because I don't really know, but I know the colors we're doing gray and blue, like the kitchen. I want to add a little yellow in there, and I don't even really like yellow, but I feel like that baby blue color and it look real good together. Got my handy dandy scissors. All of this is not for the room, but we're just gonna see. Cause I got some stuff like me personally. Like these are some command hooks. I needed these cause like I like to wash up with loofahs and stuff, and like I'm tired of like sitting it in my little soap holder. I need to like hang it so it can like dangle or whatever. No punching hook, advanced hook. So it has 20 in here. Then I bought like some mirror stickers to like go on like around the room and stuff. I'll make like a cute little design or something. This the next one. This feel like something. I want to get a rug like for the ground, but I don't know. And I'm trying to get like some, what's it called? Like stuff for the table, like the little coffee table. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. First thing. Oh. Okay, I got me some coasters. Cause Mama keeps saying that we need coasters for our what's the thing called? For your cups. They cute. They great because like I said, it's like white, gray, and blue. So it's just like, you know, little coasters for your drink or whatever. I think it's like 6 in here. I also ordered me some lip gloss because I ran out. Like, so ran out. Also, I got this little, it's like a toilet plunger and a little brush. I have a brush, but I don't have a plunger. And my mama was here to visit, and she was like, you don't have no plunger? And I was like, I didn't even think about that. This is cute. Twist on her, I believe. So that's the little toilet. You got the plunger and the brush. What else? Thank you for your purchase. What is this? Oh, these are my pillows. Did it not come with fucking pillows? I ordered pillows for the couch. And this is like the goddamn, bro. Hold on. Hopefully the pillows are in this box, because I can't take that. Oh, okay, I already opened that. Y'all, I think I didn't even buy the fucking pillows. I think I just bought the goddamn pillow fucking covers. Are you fucking kidding me? That shit was like $30 too. Oh yeah, y'all. So I bought me some new lashes because the lashes that I be doing, they cute, but they don't look how I be thinking they gonna look. Like they be cute though. I don't know if I'm explaining it right. This shit don't look long either. I don't like that. It come with a little tweezer thing, and What is this? The glue? I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, this is remover, and this one is the glue. Also, I ran out of little trash bags in my bathroom. And then, what's this? What the fuck is this? Oh, I needed a duster. That's right. To clean my fucking house. You know? My fan and stuff. And then they got a big old little thing. Okay. I like that. That's tea. Lastly, I got mats for the living room. I mean, not the living room, the kitchen floor. Let me put this up real quick. Now I gotta order some damn pillows because all they fucking gave me was this. And now I gotta look at the fucking size. That just made me so mad. Oh, also, let me show y'all. I want to get like a little, because you see how it's like my living room? I want to get like a little mat. Not my living room. What the fuck is this in the living room? The little door thing. I want to get like a doormat right there. And also, I'm thinking about getting a little table and putting it like right here. Even if it's just for like my shoes or like a little bowl to put, maybe not my keys, but like something in there. You know how to be? Or like even get something to hang right here. Like maybe my roommate's keys. But yeah, I want to get like a little stand, a cute little stand. Put probably like a plant right there. You know, put a plant, get a little stand, put a little plant right there. You know, get a little mat. So, this is like cushion for the bathroom, for the kitchen. This stinks. This smells like something. So I guess it's two. So I guess this long one goes. Let me show y'all. I'll put it down and then I'm gonna show y'all. How it look? It kind of look like something. I also want to get some more little things, add some gray. And this is how we got it right now, but I want to buy like a little, you know, little thing where you actually hang them up right there or wherever the hell they go. And yeah, this is like the mask. It actually really is like comfortable. I also want to get something, you know, like probably a plant over there, right there. I want to put something over there, something right here. The TV, we're just not gonna worry about that. And, you know, I want to get like a mirror to go right there in the corner. I want to put like pictures and stuff up there or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. So I might talk to y'all, I don't know, maybe like, I'm finna look around on Amazon now and actually, damn, I keep meaning to take this big ass fucking TV box to David's house. Davis was just here. I could have brought that, put that in her car. She could have put it in her garage, but no, I keep forgetting. But anyways, I'm finna look on Amazon for like things for the living room, and I also gotta buy them pillows because why the fuck? If I know it, they would charge me $30 just for the pillow, like. So yeah, I'm probably gonna talk to y'all by the end of this week, and I'm gonna have a new update for y'all. Hey y'all. Got a new package or whatever. We got a new kitchen. Let me show y'all. Y'all, this is our new kitchen. Hold on, let me turn the light on. This is the new kitchen. We got a new dishwasher. New everything, really. Got a new sink, countertops, new cabinets. They like the ones that like they close like silently. Boom. So that's cute. You know, new cabinets, new microwave. It's so nice. Like, yeah. New oven. You know, new cabinets, countertop, new refrigerator. Don't look at my refrigerator because ain't nothing really in here for real. Look a mess. But yeah. So I bought some stuff for, you know, the living room area and the kitchen. So let's see. Right. see what this is. Oh, these are the 2 little fake plants I have bought. I'm gonna start to decorate them. Oh, they kind of go with the with like the counter. Really cute. Put some green in there. These are cute, y'all. They 2 different ones. It's like these like bushy. This is kind of like that. These are cute. What's these? What's these? It be feeling like Christmas every time I get another package. Okay. I bought like a little, you know, the little plant thing that go on the wall. So I had bought that. I don't know how I'm gonna do it though, but yeah, it's like things, you know, to go on the wall. Next. Okay. I know what this is. So this is like the dish thing to put like your detergent. I want to buy like a bottle to put the detergent in instead of like that because that's ugly. And I believe this go on the bottom so that it don't leak. Alright, so you see how it's just sitting like this? I don't really like that. Hold on. So it's starting like that. And you know, you just put these on there. I want to get like a different bottle because that's not aesthetically pleasing. You know what I'm saying? But this is what I want because this sink is not deep at all. So I think that kind of looks better, no? I'm gonna get a different bottle though, a cute little bottle. But you know, cause I don't like it when it was just sitting like this. Like, okay, it was just sitting like that. I don't really like that. So I like this better. So yeah, I like that better. I ain't like when it was just sitting there like that. Next. I'm a little thirsty. I think this is that. I got like a little circular thing to go right here on the table or on the counter. Okay, this is small. It's cute though. It's small. So I wanted it to go right here so that I can put stuff on it. One second. This is what I wanted to do. Like put this here. Obviously, I'm gonna get a newer one. Obviously, put this here. You know, put the flower, the little coaster, and like a candle here, like this, or even to just leave it like that. Cause I didn't like how it was just kind of like, I don't know. And then probably put this right here or something. I definitely thought it was gonna be bigger, but I still think it's cute though. And then, you know, probably put this, get a little toilet. Damn, that's what I didn't get. I didn't get like a towel rack thing to put right there. But yeah, just something cute like this, just to go right here. Cause I would have this sitting right there anyways, and it just looked off. But now it look kind of cute. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't know if that fire hydrant or something. We're gonna have to fix on that. But it's cute, no? Just right there in the middle. Okay, let me show y'all the next thing. Okay, my pillows. Okay. So remember last time I had bought the pillowcases, thinking that there was pillows. There was pillowcases. So now I finally got the actual pillows. So these are the pillows. You got plucked out, but it was just in the thing. So I'm gonna stuff these up in there. Okay. Ooh. They look better now. They look a little flat, but you know, it's cute. I'm gonna start cooking too, y'all, cause the other kitchen was nice too. I didn't really notice that it needed to update until they started updating it. Until I seen my other friend, her room was updated, her kitchen. So I was like, what? Where's mine? You know, this is the first building, so a lot of people don't have theirs yet. But I want to keep it minimalistic. Like, I don't really want no pictures, really. But just, like, cute little things. Even if it's, like, a picture, like a painting. Okay, so this is what the living room look like. Nothing, really. They still gotta get those bins. Because we have put our stuff in the kitchen in there. But they need to come get it. That's my friend's pot, so she need to come get that, too. But it's gonna be very much empty in her. Very much. And in here looks cute. I want to get like a full body mirror and put like right here in the corner because you know the light gonna be hitting. And yes, so boom, this is what I got on the tip right now, but I'm finna fix that. Okay, just because I'm bored, let's see what it would look like. So I'm gonna take this off. I need to get some tape. Okay, it's a lot. Looks cute so far. What y'all think? So this would it look like. Is it cute? All right, y'all. So y'all can see just what everything looks like. In the living room, I'm gonna give you a quick little last little peek, and also I already got stuff on order for there, but that's gonna be another video. Like, this is gonna be part 1, I guess. And yeah, let me show you. So for the kitchen, this is the final look, y'all. All right, y'all, so that is the kitchen. Now I'm gonna show you the living room. All right, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is just part 1, y'all. Like I said, I already have stuff on order, but I just wanted to show y'all this much and put this out there because, you know, I've been in here for like 3-4 months now and I haven't gave y'all no update. So I just want to give y'all a little update or whatever. Yeah, so stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and keep coming back for more, baby. Mwah.